What you get at Pertino is invention. We're making this stuff up. No one's ever done this before. Hi, my name is Craig Elliott, CEO of Pertino. Most companies work with large corporations, but we thought if we could bring the power of computer networking down to the small and medium businesses, it'd really help them compete on the world stage.
Hi, I'm Ron Brashear. I'm the VP of Engineering here at Pertino. They're come along startups that fundamentally try and change how things work. They're real game changers, and I think Pertino is really one of those.
We've already built a global network that serves customers in about 70 countries. Being able to bring that Fortune 1000 class services, network services, down to small and medium businesses is a game changer for them. We've been very aggressive working with intern programs, not only in the United States, but overseas.
We're making something completely new in the age of the cloud. So what we're looking for, people who are super smart, take great pride in their work, and have a lot of passion. Well, I like to see web pages about projects that tell me why they were really awesome and showed that they really understood what they were doing and made it was really important to them.
I've worked at big companies here. You want to be in a startup. That's the environment, that's the exciting part. That's why people come to Silicon Valley. To be able to really make a difference with new technology, not adding on to old technology. If you're really interested in solving big problems and networking and communications get you excited, being able to help those small and medium businesses, we want to hear from you. We'd love to have you at Pertino. You can call me or send me an email, craig@pertino.com.